Microsoft has announced GitHub Copilot free plan.
And we're offering a free version to more than 150 million developers who use GitHub.
This move helps developers to experience what Microsoft has to offer before subscribing, and also it helps Microsoft to tackle its rivalries like Cursor, Windsurf, Bolt, as they're already providing free tokens to try out their AI. The golden era of AI editors has just begun and is getting more interesting day by day.
It's a real game changer. With Copilot Free, you can use chat to explain code entirely in natural language.
The CEO mentions that it is a game changer since we can leverage the power of AI and build code using multiple models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which excels at coding, while we also can use GPT-4o, and there is a proposed future plan for Gemini 1.5 Pro from Google. In this video, we will explore Copilot Chat and Copilot Edit features to build our code, and we'll also try to explore vision for Copilot, which was recently announced in GitHub Universe event 2024. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Before diving into VS Code, let's quickly understand what GitHub Copilot is. Copilot was launched by GitHub in 2022 as an AI pair programming assistant. So basically, whenever we type some functionality or whenever we type in some comments that we require something, so Copilot basically suggests few lines of code so that when we consider those lines, we can write the code faster, and it helps improve the productivity of developers. So that's basically how it started. Fast forward to 2024, there are a lot of new things happened in GitHub Copilot, such as Copilot Chat, Copilot Edit, and Vision for Copilot, which is currently in preview mode, and also data analysis for Copilot, etc. So a lot of new features happened, few of them we'll be discussing in this video. So before that, let's look what plans it is offering. So basically we have free tier, which was launched recently, and coming to the features, messages and interactions. Basically chat feature is limited to 50 per month. Code completion features, it is limited to 2000 per month. Basically the free tier is limited, but we as developers can be able to test and check whether if it is suitable for our needs and then upgrade the plan. So that's basically about it. Let's quickly dive into VS Code. So here is our VS Code. So if you update the VS Code to the latest version, you can be able to see the Copilot icon at the top right. So if you click on that, it will open a tab to the right. So the first icon is nothing but chat. The second icon is nothing but Copilot edits. So let's explore one by one, but before that, there is also a walkthrough added. So if you click on that, you can see what GitHub Copilot is offering. You can read this so that you can get an overview. Let's close that. So yeah, the first thing which we'll be doing is we'll be creating a Next.js project. My idea is to create a portfolio app and ask GitHub Copilot to edit it and give it to us so that it will create a portfolio page for us. So that's basically the idea. So let's quickly create a Next.js project called portfolio app. Let's quickly open the terminal and let's type in the command to create Next.js project. So here we are trying to create portfolio app. Click on enter. Now I am keeping all those as default. So it's creating Next.js project for us. Let's give it some time. That's done now. Now that the project has been created, let's go into the project. Let's type in npm run dev. Now our server has been started and let's click on that. As we can see, this is our boilerplate code for Next.js. Basically, we are able to see that it is up and running. So let's open this folder. This is our project where we have these files. So simple Next.js project, nothing fancy as of now. Now let's ask Copilot edit. Let's see if it can be able to generate a portfolio page for us. Let's quickly add a working set. Working set is nothing but the files it has to edit to do the work. So these are pretty much the files which are need to be modified by GitHub so that it has to create a portfolio page. So let's give it a simple command. This is my command. Basically, I'm asking Copilot to create modern, stylish SaaS type portfolio page using gradients with 4 sections. One is about me, and second one is skill section, and third one is experience section, and the fourth one is contact me section. So UI should be stylish with icons animated. So I have given my details so that it can fill the data. That's basically what I think it will do. But before that, I want to talk about these models. So we have 2 LLMs as of now. So GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is in preview mode as of now. and it is being used by many of other AI editors. But now I'll be sticking to GPT-4o and let's see what it can do. Adding a package React icons to the dependencies. So it is modifying page.tsx as of now. Accept. It has created components as functions and it has modified the page. So let's click on save and let's reload. So failed to compile. I'm getting error. There are still red marks, but if I hover over this, it is asking fix use it Copilot. Then it is suggesting that to fix this error, you need to install React icons package. So npm install React icons. So that is what I have to do in my terminal. So let's do that. Npm install React icons. Now that it is fixed, let's click on save. Let's see. If I reload the page, yep. So this is my portfolio app. It's a bit fancy actually, but yeah, it has done its job. And if you hover over the icons, we can see the animation. So that's basically about it, and experience is also there in timeline. So there is also contact me section where we can click that particular icon so that we can open the mail app so that we can compose a mail. So that's basically about it. So that's how we will be using Copilot Edit to generate our code, and let's look into Copilot Chat as well. So Copilot Chat, we can interact with our code base and we can ask questions on our code base or anything outside of our code base as well, just like ChatGPT. For asking questions about our code base, we have to type in @workspace and ask any questions. So let me ask, is there any boilerplate code? Basically collecting the information and it's looking into the code. Copilot Chat is suggesting that there is boilerplate code and it has given some of the code with modifications. So if we click on this apply in editor, it will automatically apply that particular code to our particular file, which is nothing but page.tsx. So now it has been modified. Let's click on save and let's see if everything is intact or not. Yeah, it is intact. So that's basically about Copilot Chat. We can even ask generic questions, which is good for SEO, Next.js or React. As you can see, it is suggesting that Next.js is better than React in terms of SEO. It is giving some reasons as well. As you can see, we can ask normal questions as well outside of our workspace. So that's Copilot Chat for us. And the third one is Vision for Copilot. For this, we need an extension called Vision for Copilot. So if we click on this, we need to install this Vision for Copilot, and currently it's in preview mode. Now how we can be able to use this, we have to go to chat and we have to type in @vision. As you can see, after typing @vision, it is asking me to attach, drop or paste an image to get started. So what is Vision for Copilot? So basically, if we find some interesting website or if we want to recreate that website, then we can simply ask Vision to recreate by simply dropping that particular screenshot of that website, etc. So that's an example of how Vision works, and let's try to give it a screenshot. Here is the screenshot which I'm thinking for my portfolio app. Let's give it Vision. I'm simply dragging it to Vision. Let's type in something. So modify portfolio app based on given screenshot. As you can see, for Vision extension to work, you need an OpenAI key of your own. But since I don't have credits, I am not able to use that. But if you do have credits, then you can copy your OpenAI API key here and click on enter so that it will start generating the particular portfolio app based on the screenshot which you provided. And that's basically Vision for Copilot, and these are the features which I want to cover as part of this video. So if you think we missed discussing about any major update, please let us know in the comments so that we will cover them in the future. So what about other AI editors in this battle? So that's for next video, where we'll be coming up with another interesting AI editor and build something exciting from it. So hit the like and subscribe button, as I will be bringing you more such informative content happening across coding and AI communities every week. Also, if you want me to cover any other topics, please do let me know in the comments. Also, you can receive free Code Refer weekly newsletters delivered straight to your inbox, link in the description. So that's all for today. See you next with another interesting topic.